Hello. In this video, I will guide you through the process of adding a quote button on special products. So let's dive in now. Once you activate the Quote a Request Premium plugin, you will be redirected to the Getting Started page here. To enable the quote button on your WooCommerce products, navigate to the Manage Rules menu from the top. On that page, click on the Add New button to begin configuring the quote settings. First, assign a name for your quote for admin purposes, such as Special Product Quote. You can change this based on your needs. Next, select the option to apply quotes for specific products and choose the products you want to enable quotes for. I am selecting one product from this list. For example, Helena, new. There is a limited product stock available in my store. We will keep the default settings in this. Next, enable this option to hide the product prices and add a custom label to a quote for price here. Next, select the quote position by selecting the second option from the dropdown to enable the quote button after the Add to Cart button. Next, set the button text to Quote Me. Now, simply click the Save Setting button. Let's configure the global settings from here. First, choose the quote button position whether it appears in line or after the Add to Cart button from this drop-down option. Next, you can enable the quote feature on the shop page by clicking here. You can also enable the quote button on the cart, checkout page, and other settings. To enable the mini cart, click here, then assign the mini cart to a specific header menu and click the Save Settings button. To configure buttons and label, click here. From this page, modify the button text, background color, font color, and styling to match your store's theme. Configure the quote page settings like selecting the quote page template here. Then select the table fields that you want to display on the quote page and label in page URL settings, etc. In the quote settings page, you can enable options such as accept or reject quotes, auto-send quotes, quote expiry dates, and related settings. On the PDF quote page, you have the option to enable or disable the quote PDFs to send customized quotes via email. On the emails page, you can manage automated quote emails, ensuring all quote requests, approvals, and responses are dynamically handled with custom templates. Let's jump to the shop page. Before quote settings, it will display the product price and the Add to Cart button. On refreshing the page, the price will be hidden, replaced by a Quote for Price button. Also, you can see the Quote Me button here. Click here to add a quote for this product. The quote is added now. Click this link to check the quote page. You can also see the mini cart on the header with one quote. In the quote form, fill in all data and submit the quote by clicking here. The quote is successfully sent now. As you can see the success message here. Navigate to the admin panel at the Quote Requests menu here. Here you can see the quote list. Click on an edit link to review and modify the quoted price as needed. For example, this quote's original price is $55, but this is a special product and has a limited stock available in your store. So you can adjust this special product price to $59 from here. After that, click on the Save button and you can see it will increase the $4 additional order price. In another case, if you want to give a discount, then change the price to $50, which provides a $5 discount. Now click the Send Quote button from here to notify the updated quote price to the customer. Customers will receive an email containing the quote details. If you want to check the test quote email, add the email address here and click the Send Email button. Let's see the quote email format that was sent recently. You can see the email title, A Quote for You, and the intro content here, and quote the product with the updated price. Here, the user has the option to accept the quote or reject it by clicking here. Let's go to the My Account page under the My Quotes section. In that, user can see the quote ID, status, date, and actions, including the View Quote button. Click the View button. From this page, the user can check the quote details. If the user clicks the Accept link, it will redirect to the checkout page to place an order. Here, on the checkout page, the user has the option to select a shipping method. For example, let's select the free shipping option here, and from the bottom, complete the order by clicking the Place Order button. Once the order is placed successfully, on the Thank You page, you can see the order with the quoted price. Conclusion: this is how you can configure and manage the quote system for special products in your store. For premium plugins, visit our website, and to test the plugin, click on the link below given in the description. Please make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons from the bottom. Thanks for watching the video.